In today's episode, I'm going to share 5 projects for Halloween that are great for beginners or seasoned sewists alike. And I'm also going to share where you can find these big scissors because people are regularly asking me, where on earth did you get them when they see them in my photos? And now is the perfect time of the year to go find them because I got them at a Halloween store. They're a prop for a costume, but they do work. I mean, they move. They don't actually work. But they're so much fun to have for different sewing things, and I just like having them in my room. So if you want them, Halloween time, it's the time to go to one of those Halloween stores that has all the costumes and look at their props. Now let's get into the 5 projects. So project number 1 is a table runner. I show you how to make this table runner using 3 of the 6 designs from my October placemat panel. And I also teach you how to make this economy quilt block, which is really easy, even if you have never made a quilt block before. I'm going to show you how to sew this together and trim it to size as you go. So if everything doesn't go perfectly from the first stitch, it's not going to be messed up at the end. Guaranteed success. Take your time on this because this is what makes or breaks where your points go when you sew this totally together. Project number 2, fabric pumpkins. How much fun are these? You can make them for fall, but I think they're super fun and spooky for Halloween as well. And it's basically some strips of fabric, stuffing, you can use a cinnamon stick, you can use a dowel rod, and I also show you how to put a little piece of twine on wire because I really think that this makes it extra special. And there are free templates that you can get on my website, but again, you can get the full details on this tutorial below this video. The next project is for dogs, or you can make them smaller for cats. How about a super cute, quick and easy over-the-collar bandana that you make out of 1 square of fabric? This is amazing for beginning sewists or just anyone that wants to get their dog or cat into the holiday spirit. Now I got baby on the brain because I have a new great nephew and it is going to be his first Halloween. Project number 4 is actually 2 things, 2 different kinds of bibs. One, you can take my basic bib pattern and use a Halloween fabric and make it super cute for the whole month of October or for Halloween Day specifically. Or you can make this cute mummy bib, which is made out of strips of white fabric that you make all shabby by using raw edges and running it through the washer and dryer. This could even be a whole costume for baby if you put them in a white bodysuit, add the bib, take some cute pictures. Maybe mom and dad can even dress up as mummies and you can have a whole family affair. The next thing I made with this matching fabric, and these are my October ghosts that are from Riley Blake Designs, and I've used them obviously in a lot of my projects here today, but I took just a cloth diaper. These make great burp rags. You just put them over there. They're super absorbent, but they're extra cute if you put a little bit of fabric on top. So this is a really quick tutorial to show you how to get that size just right, and why not make them for every season? Here's a review of the 5 projects for Halloween. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, check out the others, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. So grab your scissors and your sewing machine and go have some fun.